What's up everybody? Welcome back to another Lawn and Order landscaping video. Today we've got a pressure washing project to put together. We're gonna be scraping off all the old moss, dirt, and grime that's built up over the last year or so. It's gonna be a nice little transformation, bringing things back, letting those colors pop out of that stone, just like it was when it was brand new. In the meantime, however, there's about 13,000 new viewers for the last month. I wanna thank you guys for watching. It's blown up the channel really well, but only about 100 of you guys subscribe to the channel. To the 100 of you, thank you. To everybody else, what are you doing? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and while you're making that right, we're gonna get busy. So we've got the crew coming out with two different attachments. They've got the wand as well as a surface cleaner. That surface cleaner's actually got two tips on it that spray around in a circular fashion. Kind of gives you a broad 12-inch radius that it can clean. Kind of like a vacuum, but for hardscaping. Alrighty guys, that's gonna wrap things up here. Before I roll out this B-roll, I wanna thank you guys for watching, viewing, liking, and subscribing. I'm gonna roll the red carpet, check out the after shots, and we'll see you in the next one.